Alright, hello and welcome back. And in this part, we are going to be working on the app side of this course. So we're going to be creating a food classifier, and then we're going to go back and see if our model is trained at Watson, so we can download it and start using it here. Okay, so let's get started with the launch screen setup. So what I want to do is I want to first give this background a color, more sort of like a blue color. Alright, that looks good. And let's drag a label out. And gonna change the font for this. Custom. Avenir next. It's gonna be medium metallic, and font is gonna be a little bit big, about 30 points. And then we're gonna give it Indian food classifier. Alright, and let's give it a white color. There we go. Okay, let's center this on the screen like so. Okay, now we're gonna use another label, and this one we're gonna show a emoji. So we're gonna show an emoji in here, and so let's click Command Control Space. If you hit that, you're gonna see the emoji window getting open, and we want to select magnifier. So magnifier class right here. I'll select that and hit enter, and let's change its font to be 100, so it's really big, and then drag it to be right around here. Okay. And what I want to do is or maybe this is better. Okay, cool. So first we want to constrain the left side, and or trailing constraint, and then we're gonna say vertically in container. Okay, now we're gonna adjust our this vertical in container a bit. So let's move to the constraint section, and I wanna, for the Y, I wanna actually make it 10, so it moves down a bit. And for this, let's make it -20 until it covers a little bit part of the text. There we go. That looks good. Okay. All right. So cool. So that's about it for our launch screen. Let's launch this app one time to see if it's looking all right. Alright, almost compiling and build, and let's open the there we go. Alright, let's run it again. Okay, cool, that looks good. Alright, so in the next video, what we're going to do, basically we are going to start working on our main storyboard, and then the view controller. Alright, thanks again for watching. I'll see you guys in the next video. Thanks.